Hi guys, for today's video I thought for a certain fact what would be kind of funny would be if we try to get people to pick up this wallet filled with newspaper so it looks like we've got money in it and tied to some fishing wire. So basically as they try to pick it up we pull the wire and watch them either try to chase it or think what the fuck is happening and just walk off. So yeah, we've got a couple of clips here of people actually trying to pick up the wallet. So do me a favour, if you do enjoy this video, like, share, comment, all that good stuff, and just enjoy this one, okay? Peace.
Listen, the pack. Listen, it's going to be the fun part.
The easy part.
Just about pick it up and give it someone. I hope it makes a few thousand hits on YouTube.
I was trying to make a video.
Thank you.
And the rest of the vlog, you know what I mean?
Are you having me a hot dog to me?
You're having an experiment making a video.
It's not even the first, you know.
I know. Bye.
Bye.
I like that.
Got one.
What do you drop their wallet? Nice one. No, you dropped it.
I was joking.
Thank you. Thank you.
You tell me everything you want, really. But that's not fine. Some string, dude.
Oh, it's here.
It's a prank. Lisa made you laugh.
Some string, mate. Yeah. Cheers, mate. Cheers.
The woman said, check that out. There's a wallet. She went, do you reckon it's full? And she went, no. And she walked off and the son just went for it. You carry it. Put your arm in.
Good thing. She already knows.
It's on string. Why are you doing that?
For a video, see how many people try to pick it up. Still looking. Huh? Got you, mate. Was impressed. We're done. That's 10. Hello, it's on string, trying to get a video. Hello. Hello, it's on string, trying to get a video. Yeah, we're trying to film a video, we've got it on string. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Do me a favour, if you did enjoy it, make sure you check out our other videos on the left, the right, check out all of our links, and make sure you subscribe for more videos. Push the like button, comment, all that good stuff, and we'll see